Are you tired of juggling 100 File Explorer windows? Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add Chrome-like tabs to File Explorer the built-in way on Windows 11. Let me show you how. Latest Windows 11 has tabs built in. To have access to that, let's go to our File Explorer. Now go to your taskbar, that would be your File Explorer. You can click on that. Another way to access your File Explorer would be go to the Start button, click on it, and there is your File Explorer. So I'm going to click on it. Go to the top section, you will see the plus sign. Click on it to add a new tab. You can see now I have two tabs there for my File Explorer. I can click again to add another tab to my File Explorer. Makes it easier. Now you can easily move from one folder to another folder to desktop and different File Explorers. You can go to screenshot and so forth. Now, another thing you can do here is to click, hold, and drag your File Explorer out, just like you would do in your Chrome browser or Edge browser, right? I can also hold that and take it back to this point, right? This is what you would normally do in your browsers. Quick tip here, you can add tabs with Ctrl+T if you don't want to go through this plus sign. So I'm on my keyboard, I'm going to press Ctrl+T to add a new tab. Now to close tabs, you can rather come here and click that close tab, or you can press the Ctrl+W to close a tab. So if I press Ctrl+W, you'll see that tab closes. You can see here you don't need external software to access your tabs in File Explorer. If you found this video helpful, drop me a comment in the comment section, give me a like, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips like this. I'll see you in the next video.